Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my Ramadan Iftar Prep Series. So here I'm making healthy homemade essentials to make Ramadan easier and more nourishing. Today I'm sharing a healthy homemade Nutella made using dates. No sugar, no preservatives, just pure wholesome goodness. If you love chocolate and want something clean and nourishing this Ramadan, this recipe is for you. It is naturally sweet from dates, rich and creamy due to the hazelnuts, and gives instant energy after a long fast. Let's dive into the recipe. So I start by blending soft seedless dates that are soaked in milk, and then I blend the hazelnuts to a soft powder, and then I mix both of these along with cocoa powder, milk, butter and vanilla to create a silky smooth chocolate spread. You can adjust the consistency to make it thick or keep it runny like a chocolate sauce. Store it in an airtight jar in the fridge and it stays good for the whole month, making your Suhoor and Iftar prep super easy. You can use this healthy Nutella to make milkshakes, spread it on your roti, or drizzle over pancakes, or dip fruits, or make desserts using it. So it's a perfect refined sugar-free treat. If you love this recipe, don't forget to check out my healthy dates sauce from the Ramadan Prep Series, another must-have for your fridge this month. Subscribe and follow for more healthy Ramadan Iftar recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!